would be up to the new Attorney General whether there would be any additional criminal charges. And we're getting a better idea now of when Judge Merrick Garland could step into that new role. Garland will appear in front of the Senate Judiciary Committee February 22nd and 23rd. The Senate Judiciary Chairman says he expects it will be a swift decision. Garland was former President Barack Obama's pick for the U.S. Supreme Court, but Republicans would not consent to any nominee. When Garland worked with the Department of Justice, he supervised the investigation into the Olympic bombing in Atlanta.